Hello, welcome back to WinFS Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. Must watch alternative to Forex stock crypto markets in case of collapse. Okay, this video is going to show you how you should prepare yourself as a trader, assuming the Forex stock or crypto market collapse. After the former CEO of Binance was, uh, brought to court and he resigned from being the CEO of Binance, and another person took office. You see that such event can be a kind of issue. That could be such event in future, and it could lead to uh, a kind of collapse of that particular financial industry. Example, cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you something before I continue. So you see that the former CEO Champagne Zhou was charged with $4.3 billion, settlement deal because of some financial, crimes. Uh, right now, you see that the new CEO, Richard Teng, is somebody that is more versatile with regulations. That means he work with U.S. Federal Reserve, like he works with U.S. Financial stuff or commissions, and in other words, he cannot tolerate scam. He cannot tolerate illegal monies, transaction or kind of money laundering. He can't tolerate that because he's against it. He has over 30 years in financial services and regulatory experiences, spanning across Abu Dhabi and Singapore. See, all these things, they bring threats to the current financial, uh, like crypto market. Because what if the U.S. Authorities, U.S. financial authorities say, okay, because of this, we are shutting down crypto uh, currency. We are shutting down crypto industry. They have the power to do that, right? Now, when they do that, it means that all stakeholders, all people that are holding Bitcoin, that Bitcoin will lose value and their money will become zero because it doesn't work again. Nobody will use it to make transaction, right? So in such event, how will you be able to become successful as a trader? That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. So you have to watch this video to the end to learn a lesson from this. Okay. Forex stock crypto FSSC, I'm sorry. Forex stock crypto FSSC market comes with fear of being extinct due to government regulation and policies. Again, there is a lot of discrepancies in FSSC. FS stocks are not traded on weekends or special days, you see. There are periods of high spread and zero volatility. This can make one lose more money, right? Certain unusual price behavior can make one quit trading FSSC. Yes, because when there are high spread, you start seeing your trade running in losses. When there are low volatility, you feel like I want to close the trade. It's not making profit quick, and you close in some losses, and then you open another trade. By the time you lose on a row, it's become a habit, and you don't want to be facing such challenges. As a result, a group of entrepreneurs who are innovative and want clean financial environment have come up with synthetic economies. This is synthetic indices or volatility indices or derived indices. They are unaffected by government, unusual zero effects that happen in forex market, infinity spread, like you can see infinity spread in forex market. So like they are unaffected by government, unusual zero effect, infinity spread, fear of being extinct. It is software driven and hence never stopping and last forever. It is computerized. Forex market is both hardware and software, but this one is purely software. Is a soft something, is there's no way you can stop it, right? Yes, some countries are not allowed to trade a synthetic market because of, it just, that is a mere restriction. there are many countries that it is being traded, meaning that you can use VPN. Okay, so it may not be allowed in some countries, but the truth is that you can use VPN to trade it. It is hard to trade, but with my courses, you will make profit as if you are printing money in central bank. Okay, so that is it. I don't have much to say. I'm trying to open your eye because if forex is short today and the crypto is short today and stock market is short today because of maybe some money laundering something, or maybe it's affecting the economy, and there exists artificial market. Okay, this is a kind of robotic stuff. It is running on its own. It's unaffected by news. It's unaffected by other factors. Then why is it that you just become fear of, like, what if forex market stop working tomorrow? Where are you going to make money as a trader? Because once your career is a trader, I'm sorry, is trading. Once you're a trader, then you have to trade throughout your lifetime. So you need to find ways to keep trading in event of collapse of certain financial industry. So that is why this video is released. Thank you and bye for now.